We need to replace a door. So my husband and I went to the Habitat for Humanity ReStore, and while he looked at doors, I wandered through and looked at old furniture and filmed the antiques so I could share them with you. I'm Michelle. This is my romantic tangle. I love old furniture. It makes me smile in a way that new furniture never ever does. Even though, as someone pointed out in the comment section of one of my other videos, yes, some of the stuff in my own house is a little bit shabby, but new furniture wears out and old furniture just kind of stays the way it is. Look at this file cabinet. I can picture exactly where in our barn that file cabinet would be perfect. And I didn't even look at the price because the idea of wrestling something that heavy home didn't seem like something I was going to convince my husband to share my vision, and there wouldn't have been room for it in the back of the car with the door anyway. Oh, there would have. We had the truck. What am I thinking? But the opportunity has passed. We will find another one at some point in the future if it is meant to be, and if it's not meant to be, that's fine too. Something about old trunks always captures my imagination. Look at the scallops, look at the lock plate, look at that rope handle. Isn't that just wonderful? And I always film the price tags, and I can never read them when I get home to narrate these. It was not very expensive at all. Neither was this one sitting next to it. Somebody must have donated a collection because there were 4 of them. And I am still on the lookout because my 2 youngest sons believe that I owe them trunks because I bought trunks for their older siblings because I will not share the ones that have been passed down by family members. Those are mine and they can have them over my dead body someday. This trunk was neat. It was half the length of all the other ones I have seen. That would make such a great end table. I can envision that, but maybe not with all the other trunks. There's got to be a point where it's overload. In the main building, they had these Royal Doulton fine china figurines, which were absolutely gorgeous, but also way too rich for my blood. I don't do expensive collectibles. Another thrift store, another day, I had to talk myself out of this milk glass. Would it be a china set? Service set? What would we call that? It was pretty. And they had a trunk there too. It was about twice the price of the ones at Habitat for Humanity and not quite as distinctive. If you're looking for a trunk, be patient because inexpensive ones are out there. Someone worked so hard on this perpetual calendar, and it's missing some of the days and only has 2 of the months, so I don't think it's going to have a future. Love the old school desk too.